I'm Matt Bouchard with REIT.com here in San Francisco for the 2014 Leader in the Light Working Forum. Joining me today is Jody Clark, Vice President with Hannon Armstrong Sustainable Infrastructure Capital. Jody, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Now, your company provides equity and debt financing for sustainable infrastructure projects. Can you talk a little bit about what it is that you look for regarding commercial real estate projects?
Yeah, we became a REIT actually in April of 2013. We're really the first of our kind in the market in that we got a special letter ruling from the IRS that allows us to own the assets in the building, not the building. So it's a little unusual in that regard. And what we're looking to do is to, we've got a 32-year history in this market of doing energy efficiency financing. But we really are, we've largely done that in the federal market. We're now expanding that into all the other vertical markets. So the municipal sector, the hospital sector, all these different groups, universities, schools, as well as commercial. And in the commercial, to your question, what we're looking at is trying to partner with companies that have portfolios that they're looking to retrofit, that they frankly don't want to use their capital, but look at an alternative to lever that opportunity, just in much the same way that they're looking to lever their building in the first place. They use a mortgage instead of using 100% their capital. So we're trying to do the same exact thing with trying to provide that in the context of energy efficiency.
And can you talk a little bit about how the company measures the impact of an investment, both from a ROI perspective as well as from a sustainability one?
Yeah, well, we largely let our customers, either the building owner or sometimes the contractor, the energy service company that we support in financing their projects to the owner. But what we do is largely let them determine what they think is the right way to spend the money in their project. And we're really, in essence, the wind beneath their wings to get things going and to make those projects happen by financing them. But generally speaking, at Hannon Armstrong, we've got a very tight focus on anything that we invest in. It must be an energy efficient opportunity. So what we're focused on is everything has to be carbon beneficial. It's a gating item for us, and if it's not, then we just don't invest in it.
And what areas or types of projects are you seeing the most activity in, and sort of where do you see those trends heading?
I think one of the things that we've largely seen is that I think when there's the split incentive issues and some of the multi-tenanted properties in commercial, that's been more of a challenge and more of a hurdle to get beyond that. But when we are seeing where somebody has a meter that they're responsible for and it falls 100% to the bottom line of that project, we're seeing a lot of focus there. Hotels, for example, are a big opportunity for us to work with them. Hospitals, and here at the forum we're talking to some hospital REITs, for example. So those tend to, or frankly, owner-occupied type, big box and/or anybody that has any direct meter responsibility. When that meter that they're metering and the energy efficiency has a bottom line impact immediately to that group, that's where we're largely seeing the focuses.
Jody, thank you so much for joining us today.
You bet. Thank you very much.
For more on this and other real estate news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.